In this video, guys, I'm just going to show you how to swap the cabin air filter in your 5th gen Toyota Prius, so years 23 to 27, I guess now. If you do this at Toyota, they're going to overcharge you for the filter, plus charge you for the install, and it's like a 2-minute job, so it just makes sense to do it yourself. I'm going to be using a WIX filter model WP10322. This says antimicrobial product. It's infused with charcoal, so it's one of the better models. You can get cheaper models without the charcoal. This one was, I think, $45 Canadian. If you get a charcoal cabin filter at Toyota, I think they're charging you almost 70, something like that. So it depends where you are, obviously US, Canada, but save some money, do it yourself. Very easy. So regardless of whatever filter you're doing, the steps are going to be the same. So the first thing we're going to do is undo the glove box. So let's do that now. Open your glove box, and if you look on the right side, you're going to notice a little damper. So this little damper arm here, you're just going to pull that to the side and release it. And then if you squeeze it on both sides of the glove box, it'll release these little tabs that stick out here, and the glove box will pop down. Once you've popped the glove box down and you look inside, you're going to see right up here is a rectangular piece of plastic. Mine has the number 3 on it. I presume yours will too. On the right side of this, you'll see that there are 2 little clips. If you just squeeze those together and slide it out, the other end releases, and that's how you remove the cover. And now if you look behind that, we've got a little tray, it looks like. We're just going to slide that right out. It shows you right on the edge with an arrow up, so you know which orientation it needs to be in. I'm pretty sure this filter was white at some point, so it's definitely dirty. I've been driving for about 16,000 kilometers, or about 10,000 miles so far. But it will depend on your area, the air quality, you know, if you're driving on a lot of dirt roads, stuff like that. So this is quite dirty. I mean, you could bang it out, vacuum it out, and try and reuse it, but better just to replace it. So this is the replacement filter by WIX. It looks like it might be dirty, but this is because it's infused with charcoal for better filtration. One thing to note on the aftermarket filter, you'll see that there's an arrow pointing in a direction, but it doesn't say up or down like the OEM model does. So on the OEM, the arrow points up and it says up. And basically that's telling you which is the top and bottom of your filter. The arrow on these filters is just letting you know the direction of airflow. So on these cars, the air is flowing down. Airflow is always going towards your fan box, which is below. And you'll see that the writing is facing upwards while the arrow is pointing down. So we're just going to slide this in. So arrow pointing down, we're going to put this into the tray, tucking it underneath these little flaps on one end, and then also underneath on this end. So making sure it's seated nicely. Again, we have the up arrow on our tray as it was before, but the direction of flow arrow on the new filter facing down. And then we're just going to slide this back in. We're going to take the original cover and just replace it in the opposite motion that we had taken it out. So you're just going to pop the left side into the little notches, and then the right side you're just going to push in, and you'll feel a little click as it seats itself into place. And now we are going to just reattach the glove box. So again, just squeezing slightly on both sides, just to tuck in those little notches, and you'll know when it's seated because it'll sit on the ledge on each side. After that, we're just going to replace that little damper arm on the right side here. Just grabbing a hold of it and placing it over top of that little teat, giving it a little click over, and that's it. My engine air filter is still clean enough that it doesn't need replacing right now, but when it comes time to do that, I will post a link probably in the top corner here and down below in the comments section. Follow along to check that out in the future, and thanks again for watching. See you guys in the next video.